This is a video demonstrating how to practice crossing strings using the D string and A string. So let's get into playing position first with my thumb at the neck of the violin. My fingers are just hovering over the strings but not touching it. Left arm has a nice V shape and my arm is away from the body. I have my advanced bow hold prepared. I'm going to place my bow on the D string. Near the bridge, please, near the bridge. I'm going to just do a long half note, stop at the tip, then I'm going to cross over to my A string. So let's do this together after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. D string. 1, 2, freeze at the tip. I'm going to now cross my bow to the A string by rolling it to the A string, like so, without making any sound on the A string. Now I'm going to do an up bow. Here we go. 3, 4. All the way to the frog. I will stop at the frog. Now I'm going to cross my bow again back to the D string at the frog, rolling it over to the D. 3, 4. All the way to the tip. Freeze. 3, 4. Cross over to the D. 3, 4. Cross over to the A. 3, 4. Stop at the frog. I'm going to cross over to the D string. Stop at the tip. Go back to the A string. All the way to the frog, please. All the way. Stop. Cross back to the D. One last time. Go to the A. Please practice this. This is an excellent bow crossing exercise that will be utilized on all 4 strings, G, D, A, E, as we develop our bow technique. Thank you.